Then there are other wishful thoughts. Forget about having aspirations in akhirah. Your only aspirations become dunya. From one promotion to the next, from one set of savings to the next, from one investment to the next, from one workout routine to the next. That's all you become. That's all you amount to. These are your aspirations in life. حَتَّى جَاءَ أَمْرُ اللَّهِ, until the decision of Allah came. وَغَرَّكُمْ بِاللَّهِ الْغَرُورِ, and the most deceptive one, the extremely deceptive one got the best of you. Meaning shaitan, Iblis, got the best of you. فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنْكُمْ فِدْيَةٌ, then on that day no ransom will be accepted from you. How much time do I have, Naeem? 25 minutes? I can survive 25 minutes? That's what it says? Okay, we're gonna go by it. Okay. فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنْكُمْ فِدْيَةٌ, on that day no ransom will be accepted from you. وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, nor from those who've disbelieved. Now you've been bunched together with those who disbelieve. مَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارِ, your final place of refuge is fire. هِيَ مَوْلَاكُمْ, it is the one that is going to protect you now. It is the one that will guard you now. وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرِ, and what a horrible place of final return that is. أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, one of the heaviest ayat of complaint in the Qur'an from Allah to Muslims. This ayah. It's so hard. This ayah is so hard. أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, hasn't the time come? Hasn't the time come yet? Ya'ni is ana ya'ni is actually from the word an. What does an mean? Now, isn't now the time? Isn't now the time? Hasn't it come yet for believers? أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ, that their hearts should be filled with awe, that their hearts should melt. This is quantitative or qualitative iman, khushu'ul qalb. It's qualitative, it's happening in the heart. أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ, by remembering Allah. Through the remembrance of Allah, isn't it time yet that their hearts start getting overwhelmed? وَمَا نَزَلَ مِنَ الْحَقِّ, this ma is actually ma'tuf on ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. يعني أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ أَلَمْ يَأْنِ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَن تَخْشَعَ قُلُوبُهُمْ لِمَا نَزَلَ مِنَ الْحَقِّ. Isn't it yet time for believers, for their hearts to melt, for them to be overwhelmed by the consciousness of Allah because of what came down from the truth, through what came down from the truth, through the Qur'an? Isn't it time yet that the Qur'an started having an impact on you people? وَلَا يَكُونُوا كَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ مِنْ قَبْلِ, and they shouldn't become like those who were given the book much before. فَطَالَ عَلَيْهِمُ الْأَمَدُ, then a long period passed over them. فَقَسَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ, then their hearts became hard.